With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, so today's question is, in the titration of K2Cr2O7 and ferrous sulphate, following data is obtained. V1 ml of K2Cr2O7 solution of molarity M1 requires V2 ml of FeSO4 solution of molarity M2. Which of the following relations is or are true for the above titration? So this is a multiple choice, multiple answer correct question. So now first thing what we have got is K2Cr2O7 and FeSO4. So K2Cr2O7 plus FeSO4. So over here we can see that the oxidation state of Fe is +2, and over here oxidation state of chromium is +6. Chromium and Fe. So now chromium will get reduced to Cr +3 and Fe will get oxidized to Fe +3. So now we need to find the n factor. So finding the n factor, first thing we can see chromium is going from +6 to +3. So that is a decrease of 3 into the number of chromium atoms, that is 2. So n factor over here is 6. Over here Fe is going from +2 to +3. So it is increase of 1 into number of Fe atoms, that is 1. So n factor over here is 1. Now we have been given M1 molarity and V1 of V1 ml. So we need to know one more formula. First is equivalence. So we need to know the law of equivalence. Law of equivalence. So what is law of equivalence? It states that equivalence of K2Cr2O7 is equal to equivalence of FeSO4. After this, we need to know one more thing, that molarity is equal to moles upon volume, and this volume has to be in liters. After this, we need to know one more thing, that equivalent. So one equivalent is equal to moles into n factor. So over here we need to find out the equivalence of K2Cr2O7 and FeSO4. So equivalence of K2Cr2O7 equal to equivalence of FeSO4. So we have the n factor of K2Cr2O7, which was 6 into. Now we need to write the moles. So for moles I had given the formula of molarity into volume. So we had been given M1 into V1 is equal to, over here FeSO4 n factor is 1 and V2 ml of FeSO4 of M2. So we have V2 into M2 into 1. So we get 6 M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. So this is one solution. After this, we have been given one answer in the terms of normality over here. Normality. We need to also check this. So now we need to know one more formula, that is equivalence is equal to molarity into volume, that is moles into n factor. So now what we need to know is normality into volume is equal to equivalence. So when we equate both, we get molarity into volume into n factor is equal to normality into volume. Volume is cancelled. Now we get molarity into n factor is equal to normality. So over here above we can see what we have done is molarity into n factor is normality. So equivalence of K2Cr2O7 equal to equivalence of FeSO4. Over here it was 1 into M2 into V2. And over here it was 6 into M1 into V1. So molarity into N factor. Molarity into N factor. Molarity into N factor. So we can replace this with N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2. So this is one more option. So option A is correct. 6M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. And option C, N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2 is correct. This is the final answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.